Good day to all. I'm Jordaan, the President and CEO of Superior Gold. Today, we announced strong fourth quarter and full year financial results, which saw enhanced cash flow from operations and our net cash position growing. Highlights for the fourth quarter of 2021 include solid production of 20,983 ounces of gold, which represents a 32% increase over the comparative quarter in 2020. And we sold 21,143 ounces of gold. Full year, we exceeded the top end of our 2021 production guidance, producing 77,321 ounces. This represents a 23% increase on the prior year. This performance shows we've achieved the first goal of our three-goal growth strategy. That is to deliver a safe, stable, and predictable operation producing between 70 and 85,000 ounces per annum. In Q4, we saw cash and all-in sustaining costs decline markedly, with cash cost reported of $1,290 per ounce sold. This is a reduction of $276 per ounce sold, or 18% in comparison with the fourth quarter in 2020. Our all-in sustaining cost fell by $269 per ounce sold, or 16%, to $1,416 per ounce sold compared to Q4 in 2020. This was achieved despite higher sustaining exploration and capital expenditures and a significant increase of $22 per ounce in sustaining exploration and capital. On a full year basis, we reported cash cost of $1,355 per ounce sold and an all-in sustaining cost of $1,472 per ounce sold, increasing our all-in sustaining cost margin by 310% compared to 2020. We generated $137.7 million in revenue. Both the total cash costs and the all-in sustaining cost fell by 6%, or $81 per ounce and $92 per ounce sold respectively, despite the strengthening of the Australian dollar in the first half of 2021. Our cash flow from operations after working capital changes was $8.5 million, which is an increase of $15.2 million from the fourth quarter in 2020. And we finished the quarter with a strong financial position of $23.8 million in cash. For the full year, we reported cash flow from operations after working capital changes and excluding the gold loan repayment of $4.4 million to Oramed of $26 million, which I'm pleased to say is a new record for the company. I'm happy to report that the company is now completely unhedged and fully exposed to the increase in gold price following the delivery of the final ounces under the call options related to the Oramed gold loan, which was fully repaid in the second quarter of 2021. The company reported a net income for the period of 3 cents per share, as well as an adjusted net income was also 3 cents per share. Finally, in the fourth quarter, we achieved several improved operational performance. Ore from the underground mine achieved an annualized rate of 900,000 tonnes per annum. Gold recovery rates increased to 87%. That's up from 84% in the comparative period in 2020. As mentioned above, this performance gives me the confidence to report that we've achieved our first goal of delivering a safe, stable and predictable operation producing between 70 and 85,000 ounces per annum. As mentioned before, we exceeded annual production guidance for 2021 and realized a 7th consecutive quarter of improving gold production and improving our cash position. The company also continues to improve our resource block modeling. As a result, larger, more productive stopes are now being identified, developed and mined. This can be seen in the continued increases in tonnage mined from the underground stopes in each quarter of 2021, with the full year production up 8% in 2020. The company is targeting further improvement on our safety performance that showed encouraging signs of improvement into the new year. In addition, we are targeting increases in underground production and higher grade open pit feed to improve milled grade in 2022. We remain fully committed to repositioning the asset to focus on higher grade, higher margin ounces. In 2022, we will be advancing several value-enhancing projects which we believe will further increase production, lower costs, and extend our mine life. We now target to deliver between 80 and 90,000 ounces in 2022. This is despite a softer first quarter due to a 14-day planned mill shutdown, with an exit rate of 100,000 ounces per annum in the second half of 2022. This is in line with our growth strategy's second goal, that is to deliver an operation of scale of around 100,000 ounces per annum in phase 1. Superior Gold can now be identified as a safe, stable, predictable operation producing between 70 and 85,000 ounces per annum. The company continues to grow through the drill bit, with examples being 53.6 grams per tonne of gold over 2.7 metres and 11.9 grams per tonne of gold over 7.6 metres at the Baltic West Extension Zone, as we continue to open the 1.6 kilometre long Western Mining Front. Also, at the Indian Access, which is close to the portal at Plutonic, where we intercepted 20.4 grams per tonne of gold over 3.5 metres and 11.9 grams per tonne over 4.3 metres. Underground production is up in 2021 and further increases in 2022 towards a mining rate of 1 million tonnes per annum in Q4 of 2022 is planned and scheduled. Open pit exploration is now included, and all up spending is $90 to $100 per ounce produced on exploration. Having a strong balance sheet, strengthening further in 2022, and also achieving marked reduction in costs for further reduction expected, and thereby increasing our headroom. An important remaining element to this is the updated resource and reserve statement, which we are expecting to announce, as well as our quarterly exploration update by the end of March 2022. Finally, I encourage you to review the full news release regarding our fourth quarter and full year 2021 financial results for full details. Thanks for watching.